Well, the UK may still have no plan in place on just how it leaves the EU, but Donald Trump says he's looking forward to negotiating a, quote, large-scale trade deal with the UK post-Brexit. The president tweeted the message this morning saying, quote, the potential is unlimited. Meanwhile, Bloomberg reporting Trump's meeting with Chinese President Xi Jinping may not happen until April at the earliest, with no U.S. China trade agreement in place. Rick Newman is on the couch with us this morning to discuss.
Hi, guys.
Hey. It all feels very incremental, doesn't it, in terms of where this is all going in terms of the trade deal? Yeah,
it's unsatisfying for sure. People who've been watching Yahoo Finance should know we have been saying this could trickle along throughout basically the second quarter of 2019, perhaps even into the summer. I think markets are relieved that there still does seem to be a general progress towards something that would alleviate the risk of new tariffs going into place. But it's not going to be clean and simple. And we've been getting mixed messages from the Trump administration on this for months, really. Lighthizer, the trade representative who's doing all the negotiating, every time somebody gets a chance to ask him, he says, significant issues remain. We're still pretty far apart on the big issues. While Trump keeps saying, we're going to get there. I'm optimistic about a big deal. So I think Trump, the way I see this shaking out is Trump has created the expectation of a deal that is going to at least reduce trade tensions, and he has to deliver that one way or another. So he's got a window of time through, I would say this could even go into May and perhaps even to the end of May if necessary. Beyond that, it's going to look like, if nothing happens, it's just going to look like Trump cannot get a deal and nothing's going to happen. So he needs a win.
Yeah, I'm glad you used the phrase window of time. To me, it has started to feel a little bit like Brexit, just in how inexorable it has been. And then every week we parse a new statement and we say, oh, reason for optimism. And then we say, uh-oh, some cold water being thrown by Lighthizer.
And markets are actually reacting to that. We do see the markets yo-yo based on whatever signal of the day, of the day is.
In general, I just don't see the reason for that much optimism because, as you said, I mean, there was the deadline being removed. He said, okay, I'll get rid of that deadline. But to me, it just feels like more kicking the can down the road. I mean, summer, it's like, okay, well, then when?
Well, so you have to ask the question, optimism about what? So there are two ways of looking at this. Is Trump going to get a deal that brings about major reforms in the Chinese economy and the way they, the theft of Western technology and other things like that? Almost every China expert or trader says, no, he's not going to get that. But markets don't really care about that. What markets want is they want fewer impediments to global trade. They want to know no more protectionism is coming. So I think there is reason to be optimistic about that. And the main reason I think that is because Trump needs to be able to produce a deal like that.
All right. Thanks, Rick.
See ya. I guess we're going to be talking about this more.
Oh, we will.
Not wrapped up.
We'll have you back real soon.
It's not done today.